Hi, I'm Rebecca Rhodes. It's September, and in response to your requests, we're creating a nose challenge. We did an animal eye challenge in July, and it was exciting to watch your progress and your growth as you created and shared your eye paintings. We're going to do the same kind of thing with noses, but I feel like this challenge might need a little bit more structure based on the questions I'm receiving from you. So I'm thinking maybe a bit more guidance might be needed. So I'm inviting you to walk step by step through the process of painting a nose with me, from the very beginning to the very end. You'll get mini lessons covering all kinds of animals, colors, different angles, anything you might encounter when painting noses. And they'll be in bite-sized chunks so that you can complete these tutorials in a short amount of time. Everything we do will be created as lessons in the school, so by the end of the challenge, you'll have access to all of the tools and techniques and video tutorials that you might need to create noses in your own paintings. Here's my vision, and this could change. It's a work in progress, and really it's all based on what you want. What will work for you. A mini lesson will be revealed every couple of days, and they'll be manageable, something that you can complete in a short amount of time for a quick win as you paint noses. We all learn differently, and if you wish, you could walk through each lesson with me as we go, or if you like to work on your own, you could wait until we've created a group of lessons in the school and then power through at your own pace. Or you could do a combination of everything. I'll start at the very beginning with how to create an accurate drawing. And then we'll move into different angles and colors and all kinds of animals based on your requests. At the end of each lesson, you'll receive a challenge if you wish to complete it. And you'll be invited to share your work in our Facebook group and in the community in the school. In fact, in all of your social media, so we can encourage and learn from each other. These lessons are based on what you want to learn, and I'll create the lessons based on your questions, the challenges and the conundrums that you are encountering. As far as the length, this challenge will take as long as needed until we feel like everything's been covered. It might take 2 weeks, it might take 2 months. The goal is by the end you'll have a library of tools and step-by-step tutorials that you can use as a guide in creating noses. This is a work in progress. It's the first time I've created a course in this format, and by the end it may end up looking completely different, and that's okay. The overall goal is to meet your needs. Here's how the plan presently looks. I've created a course in the school. You can go there now and enroll for free. Little by little, we'll fill this course with the tutorials that you need. And by the end of the challenge, you'll have a library of nose lessons for your use. For each tutorial or for each subject, I'll announce what it's going to be about. And I'll ask you for your input regarding that subject, what you find challenging. I'll ask for images that confound you. The lessons will be built around your input. And then I'll create the lesson and place it in the school. We'll do Q&As on Facebook talking about the lesson, questions you might have. If you're not on Facebook, no problem. The replay will be posted in the school, and you'll have the opportunity to ask questions prior to the Q&A. Then we'll move to the next lesson, following a similar format or making changes if we feel it's needed. What if you joined late or you just want to work at your own pace? Well, that's fine. You can join the challenge at any time and catch up or work at your own pace by watching the lessons in the school. So what do you think? This format might work. We might need to make some changes, but let's give it a try. In fact, let's start talking about the first tutorial right now. There are so many different kinds of animal noses, and I needed to narrow down where to begin. So I looked at your requests, and the questions I'm seeing the most are about dogs. So we'll begin there. So the first lesson is all about creating the drawing of your nose. When you create an accurate drawing, you'll avoid so many problems later in the painting. And you want to trust your drawing and make sure you have the necessary shapes and lines in place so that you can move through your painting with confidence because you've got a clear map to follow. Right now, I could use your input on two things. First, what do you think of the overall challenge? What am I missing? What should we add? And second, let's talk about this first tutorial, creating the drawing. What do you need to know specifically about creating the drawing of your nose? What kinds of questions or challenges are you encountering? Send them to me, and send your challenging photos too. Use email or comment in our Facebook group or on my Facebook Watercolor page or in the community of the school. So if you could get your questions and your problem photos to me by Monday evening, I'll create a lesson based on your requests. And I'll have it in the school for you on Wednesday, and we'll move from there. And if you just like to paint noses during the month of September, go for it. And make sure you share your work in the community in the school or in our Facebook group. So send your questions and your photos and your comments to me right now. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.